Hey again, this time I'm going to be cooking some Thai, and I have, this time I'm doing it in a crock pot. So we're going to put in, this is 425 grams of squash. This is a butternut squash. Just make sure you remove the seeds from the bulb part of it, and you can toast the seeds. I can't have seeds, so I won't be doing that. But next up we have, let's see, put that on my notes here, 210 grams of broccoli. 460 grams of cauliflower. But let's see, I have the leftover carrots from the noodles that I have. So this is 234 grams of carrots. Oops. The peppers. This is the peppers. We have 292 grams of peppers. And because we need to stick the liquids in, I don't want to put any more in. So we'll put the coconut milk in. And this first one is from Trader Joe's. So I have a mixed hodgepodge of different coconut milks. So we'll see how this works. Well, it's pretty liquidy. It's been around for a while. To the Target one. This is probably the newest. And so far my favorite. But didn't make it. And last up we have a Fred Meyer one. And this one I need to use the can opener on. Okay, as I've done before, I'm going to take these cans, and as you can see, some of them were more liquidy than others. And this time, instead of the coconut milk, instead of water, what I'm going to do is add in some of the silk coconut milk. And this is so this is the unsweetened coconut milk. So I'm making such a mess here. Now we're adding in the Thai sauce, the curry sauce. So we're adding in 3 tablespoons of this stuff. There's 1. 2. Actually, I might add in 4. Because I did have to add 1 more can of the coconut milk. So I've actually got 4 in there. That one went a little bit overboard. That was probably about a tablespoon and a half there. So I got 4.5 tablespoons of the coconut milk. And right now I will set it. I'm gonna put it on 8 hours because I'm gonna wait until I wake up because I want it ready when I wake up. So as you can see, I'm not adding any meat in here or tofu because I cannot have chicken, beef, fish, or even tofu. I have a tolerance of 30 grams of protein a day, which is actually considered high for someone with my condition. But before I add anything more in here, I'm gonna have to let that cook down a little. I noticed from before it doesn't really cook down a whole lot, but it does cook down some. So I'll just put on the lid for now and see. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe. If you don't, please let me know what I'm doing wrong. And if you can, if you have any ideas for something you'd like to see in the future, please let me know on that. Thank you for your time. Video, I had some issues that I ran into. So with the curry, I would have put in probably a little less cauliflower, probably maybe about half the cauliflower that I did. And also, jack it off. I would also, so because it was overflowing. And probably maybe a can or two less of the coconut milk. Just saved it for a different time, but probably not much of the coconut cream would have gone out, but a little bit of the coconut milk. And it's really hard to spice up. I had to use an entire bottle of hot sauce to get it to spice up. But this is the hot sauce I used. Sriracha would work too, or any hot sauce. I just didn't use really spicy vegetables. However, you know, if you are somebody who likes it hot, you can adjust the heat level by using different vegetables or by using a different hot sauce. But this is what worked for me. So I used that whole entire jar of hot sauce. I ended up putting in the rest of the curry sauce, and then I added some red pepper flakes on top. And so this over here is what the curry looks like now. Because I unplugged it because when I first took it off, it was too hot.